Ever found yourself daydreaming about the perfect patio or driveway? The best interlocking stone service in Toronto can turn those dreams into reality. With meticulous craftsmanship and a keen eye for detail, an expert service will transform your outdoor spaces into picturesque landscapes. Why settle for less when you can have the best? High-quality interlocking stones not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your property, but also provide a durable and weather-resistant solution for your outdoor needs. So say goodbye to cracking concrete and hello to a seamless interlocking system. With a top-notch service, you can expect first-rate materials, professional installation, and exceptional customer service. Remember, your outdoor space is an extension of your home. Choose to invest in quality and enjoy an elegant and long-lasting outdoor area for years to come. To find the best interlocking stone service in Toronto, visit inthetgta.com or check the description below for a list of the best. Don't wait, start your journey to a beautiful outdoor space today.